Sending and receiving money has now been made a breeze in this fast-paced world. Whether you have a bank account or not, you can still send someone money. Also, even if your receiver does not have a bank account, they can still receive money. With this in mind, you should surely be asking yourself how you can send money to someone if you don't have a bank account. Well, this video will guide you in that phase today. Well, there are several ways to send and receive money online and even physically. And having aimed today to talk about some ways to send money even without a bank account, we will be letting you know first of all that there are many ways to send money even without a bank account. Some of these ways are using money order, mobile transfer wallets, or maybe money transfer services. 1. Money order functions like a check, but isn't linked to a bank account. You buy one with the amount you want to send, then fill out the recipient's information and mail it. They can cash it at many locations. You can buy money orders at places like grocery stores, post offices, and convenience stores. 2. Mobile wallet services like Venmo, Cash App, and Apple Pay who can be used without a bank account can be used for sending and receiving money, though some require bank accounts to work in full. 3. Money transfer services. Companies like Western Union, sending money via their offices or app for cash pickup by the recipient. Well, going through all of these, you will be able to send money to anyone even if you don't have a bank account. That is all for today, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and share to others.